It's a 2019 Audi A5 Coupe. A dual threat and inspiring performance and passionate design, it'll elevate your driving experience. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather sport seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and closed tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto dimming rearview mirror, and auto shift manual transmission. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.